Hey children, how are you all? Hope you all are very safe at home. Yes? Fine. So my name is Rashmi and I'll be handling computer science for you. How are you all doing actually? Are you excited to learn computers? Yes or no? Yes, you're too excited to learn the computers. Fine. So before knowing what computer is, I'll just tell you what it is or how it exactly runs. Fine. So, will you all repeat with me? First, we'll have to learn the spellings. Fine children, let us learn the spellings. So, what's the spelling of computer? What's the spelling of computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. What's the spelling of computer? Repeat with me. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Fine? Yes. Then, after knowing the computer, next spelling or the next word will be monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Then keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. 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 Are you all repeating with me? Very good. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Ready? Yes. Next, after keyboard, mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Repeat with me. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. So, these are, okay, then one more thing, sorry. Last but not the least, CPU. We'll see the full form. CPU. Repeat with me children. CPU. So, these are the parts of computer. Parts of computer. Are you all here children? Can you listen? Is everyone here? Concentrate. Got it? Yes. So computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. What is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Then CPU. Central Processing Unit. You call it as. Got it children? Central Processing Unit. Understood? These are called as what? Parts of computer. When a question is asked, what you will be writing? What are the parts of computer? You are supposed to write parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Understood children? Yes. Now we will be seeing each and every part of the computer. Will you people draw with me? Do you have a paper and a pencil? Shall we do it? Yes, I'll give you time. Just take a paper, A4 sheet or a paper or a normal paper. Then start drawing with me. Got it children? Yes. Yes. Are you all ready? Is everyone ready? Yes. First we'll be drawing monitor. First we will be drawing monitor. Okay? Straight line. Sleeping line. One more straight line. Sleeping line. Yes? Very good. Let us put a stand for it so that it sits properly on the table. Yes? Done? Done children? Okay. I'll just draw this window screen. Your computer, once it turns on the monitor, it looks like this. It looks like this. Yes. So what is this? Monitor. Very good. Shall we write monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. So here you go. How does your monitor look? It looks like this. This is a monitor. How does it look like, children? It looks like a TV screen? Yes or no? Yes, it looks like a TV screen. So this is a monitor. Got it, children? You will be connecting the cables here behind. This is a monitor. Fine? Did everyone see this? Yes, you would have it. Few of you might have it at home. It looks like exactly like your TV screen, but it's quite small compared to your TV. Yes, children? Yes, so this is your monitor. Tell the spelling. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Got it? Yes. Next, what shall we draw next? CPU. Very good. We'll be drawing CPU. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. It's a long rectangle box. This is a square. This is a rectangle. What do you call this? CPU. Very good. CPU. What do you call that? CPU. Is everyone with me? Are you all writing or drawing it? Very good. So, did you draw the CPU? Rectangle box, 2 standing line and 2 sleeping line. Fine, children? Did you all do it? Fine. Good. Shall we see the CPU now? Your central processing unit. So, this is a CPU. This is a CPU. Oh my God, it contains lot of activities or processing units inside this. Fine, we'll be seeing each and every one in the next class. Got it, children? Does it look like that? How I have drawn? Have you drawn the same way? Yes? Very good. Very good. Can you see? This is the CPU. Got it, children? Different cables can be connected here. Different types of VGA ports are there wherein you can connect it. Got it? So your CPU looks like this. CPU full form is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Fine, children? Yes, very good. So you saw the CPU? Happy? Good. Then, next one. We have drawn monitor. We have drawn CPU. What shall we do next? We'll be drawing keyboard. We'll be drawing keyboard. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. You can just draw the keys like this. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y, key. B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. K-E-Y, key. B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Keyboard. Fine. So all are curious to see the keyboard? Yes? Here you go. Here you can see the keyboard. Can you see? Can you see? Yes, very good. So in this keyboard, you have alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, special keys, okay? Then function keys. We'll be seeing in the next class each one what it does. Got it, children? So your keyboard looks like this. What do you do with the keyboard? Click on the keys. Press the keys. Yes? Typing. Typing can be done in the keyboard. Understood, children? Can you see this? Yes? Keyboard. Many of you have seen keyboard? Very good. Is everyone drawing? Good. Have you done? This is the keyboard. Fine. monitor, we have drawn the CPU, we have drawn the keyboard. Where is the mouse? Has it run away? Did it run away, children? Shall we draw the mouse so that it doesn't go anywhere? Yes, we'll draw a mouse. Curved line, two curved lines and one or two slanting lines. You can just connect it. Okay? So that's your mouse. I've drawn it a little bad, but I want you people to draw it well. I know you are very good at drawing things. Fine, children? Got it? Mouse. So you can connect mouse and keyboard to the CPU, monitor to the CPU, then one wire from CPU to the switch. So this is mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Understood, children? So, parts of computer, it is here. We have drawn them and you have also seen them. Yes? Did you all understand? Do you know, if somebody asks you or if I ask you in the next class, what are the parts of computer? What you will be telling? Parts of computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Got it, children? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. In the next class, before moving on further, I'll be giving you dictation also. Understand? So you are supposed to write the keywords or the tough words, difficult words. Got it, children? Now you all have seen, you all have drawn. Did you enjoy the class today? Yes? So before ending the class, I'll be telling you what is a computer. You'll have to know, that is more important. What is a computer? What if somebody asks you what is a computer? How are you going to answer it? What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which takes in the input, processes it and gives the output. Repeat with me, children. I'll write it here. A computer is an electronic machine I'll write down, which takes in the input, process it and gives the output. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which takes in the input, processes it and gives the output. Understood, children? Yes. Now tell me, what are the parts of the computer? Parts of computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which takes in the input, processes it and gives the output. Fine, children. In the next class, you should remember all these things. I will be asking you the question. Fine. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Till then, till the next class, have a nice time. Take care.